Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy holidays. I'm not doing Vlogmas, but I'm gonna be posting 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so I hope you guys check it out. Kind of want to stop in and show you the tree here, the lovely tree that my children decorated. If you notice, there's like a couple like empty missing pieces. So normally I have these tree stuffers. I don't know how to explain it. They're like branches, single branches that you can stick into your tree, so it kind of fills it out. But I couldn't find them since my move in December of last year. But I love it because the kids decorated it. It's their tree. It's so cute. You even have some handmade decorations. We plan on doing some more Christmas crafts. We're probably gonna hang them on the trees and hang them on the walls. There's a few more Christmas decor I have to pick up for my room as well. Next year, my plans for the Christmas tree is to just give, oh, it's blurry. My plans for next year is to give the kids this Christmas tree, get a second tree where I can kind of like theme it for every year, you know, do color theme or ornament theme, and then the kids can have their own tree. So far, I don't have the gifts underneath except for this cute little guy gift here whose fur is also all over me. I have a few that are wrapped upstairs. There are a few that haven't been delivered yet. There's a few that aren't wrapped, so I'm gonna get them in there by next week. I'm slowly putting some underneath starting this week, but it should all be under the tree by next week. Are you guys in your Christmas shopping? Let me know. So Santa stopped in a little early. Say hello. And we're also gonna say hello to his twin. Got twinning Santas. My plans today, I'm actually going to record a couple of holiday videos for this week. I'm actually gonna take you guys upstairs in a minute and show you some goodies that I got, and I get to unbox behind the scenes with you guys. These goodies are from my PR companies. They're for actually Instagram. And I was just gonna open them, but I was like, let me just share this joy with you guys. So I'm gonna make a tea and we're gonna bring it upstairs and we're going to unbox those goodies. Okay, we're back in the bedroom. Children are fed. Oh, can we just peep this cute name necklace? Check out this really cute name necklace that I ordered from Etsy. It says my name and it has this little cute emerald birthstone because my birthday's in May. Taurus gang. Okay, so the first package I have is from Kiehl's. If you guys know the Kiehl's company, I know it. I've never tried their products before, but I actually had them reach out to me on IG and they asked if I wanted to try their holiday care package. So, as a skincare fanatic that I am, I said yes. Wow. Okay, so the package came with this really cute Kiehl's since 1851. So I want to mention something cool about this Kiehl's campaign. It's apparently their greenest holiday campaign to date, focusing on less waste and more on sustainability and fully recyclable boxes, zero plastics in the packaging. That's amazing. So the first thing I see here is the Calendula Herbal Extract Toner. So next I have this Milk and Honey Whipped Body Butter. Ooh! It's called Creme Decor. Oh my gosh. It's hard to smell anything when my nose is so stuffy. Ooh, it smells buttery. It doesn't really smell too much. It smells like shea butters and jojoba oil. I got this other cute little package here. I don't know what this is. It says Midnight Recovery Concentrate, a replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore the appearance of skin by morning. Oh, that is cute. Next, a scented scrub soap. These are so cute, these little packages and these little like holiday stuff. I actually have one more thing here. Okay, so the last 2 things I have here are 2 butter stick lip treatments. One's untinted and one is tinted, called Simply Rose. Wow, look at that. Look how cute this is. So cute. I kind of want to try it on now. Let's go. Ooh, it is super buttery. Ah, I like it. This is the next one. So cute. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna throw my Instagram up right here on the screen so you guys can follow me. I'm also gonna be doing 2 giveaways. So if you guys are into skincare, ladies, fellas, skincare, makeup, I'm gonna be doing some giveaways on my Instagram. So check it out. So next I have a box here from All About Curls. This one deserved the pull down. Wow, so beautiful. Whoa, what? All right, wow. So guys, this is like an exclusive unboxing here because it doesn't launch until January of 2021. They gave me a zero lather cleanser, a daily cream conditioner, a soft definition gel. Ooh, we have a bouncy cream, like a hair cream. I love hair creams. And they gave me some hair clips. I love hair clips. Like, what? I'm surprised I don't even have a hair clip in right now. So cute. They sent me 2 scrunchies. This one's like a floral pattern. This is also a floral pattern. And the last thing they gave me, I'm always so excited over like stationery stuff, but the last thing they gave me was a daily gratitude journal. So crazy. I was just looking for a planner and my PR company sent me something and a planner came with it, and I was just about to look for a gratitude journal, no joke, and I get one in a package. Do you guys see my eyes watering? I'm like trying to hold back these struggles of a YouTuber with allergies, I'm telling you. So they gave me a gratitude journal. I'm actually so grateful for that. People I'm grateful for, things that make me happy. So cute, so cute. Do you guys see that? I love this so much. I'm so happy. So thankful. So lastly, they sent me a cookie. It says United We Curl. That is the slogan or motto for Zotos Curls. I don't know if it's Zotos Professionals or Zotos, but it's All About Curls is their line. Now I have to fluff this up, throw these back in here nicely somehow because it just got trashed in the mail, and I'm going to put on my IG stories. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna continue to finish up what I got to do here, help the kids out with school, hopefully upload this video as soon as I can. But I am now going to clean up this mess, eat the rest of my sandwich, drink my tea, and see you guys in the next one.